Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to cover about platform analytics. So before we discuss the agenda, what we are going to cover in this video. So I want to tell about I'm going to cover this platform analytics, entire platform analytics in two parts. First part is like overview, uh, and second part is like a full practical demo. Okay, the first part let's see what all the agenda we are going to cover in this video. So our agenda is, what is this overview, what are the key features and benefits, what are the roles available in the platform analytics, how do we access the platform analytics, what are the components available in the platform analytics, what is analytics center and its overview, what is data visualizations and its overview. Okay, so let's cover one by one. Let's cover overview. What is overview? The platform analytics workspace contains all business analytics artifacts such as dashboards, data visualizations, KPIs, filters, and schedule export capabilities, all hosted inside this analytics center and accessible to all workspace users. Okay, so everything will be available, okay, under analytics center in platform analytics. So, okay, so that is why we use a platform analytics. Okay, platform analytics, why we use, we can see everything in one center or list like an workspace. Okay, one center. What are its key features and benefits? Okay, so a next experience interface that is accessible to all who needs to see dashboards with reports and platform analytics indicators, perform data and process analysis, and use natural language query to gain data insights. Okay, for this example, I will show a little demo after this, at the end of this section. Okay, I will show this demo, how we use natural language query, how do we process the analysis, all these things. Okay, second is like an application. It's an application, okay, that gives you access to all available process indicators created on the Now platform and serves as an one-stop shop for all analytics dashboards visualizations created in the workspace. The list page continues as the same. This is a powerful UI for visualization and dashboard building that allow you to implement integrated analytics inside any workspace and available to all users. Okay, this is a powerful UI, okay, for visualizations. A unified analytic experience where visualization creations, filtering, and consumption is consistent across performance analytics and reports. And the last one is like platform analytics contains flexible visualizations that have richer styling and configurations options compared to performance analytic classic experience. Also, it is natively integrated with KPI details and KPI signals. Okay, so all these features and benefits, we will see a small demo at the end of this section. Okay, so what are the roles available? Okay, so the roles available is like VIZ underscore creator. Okay, so the user with this role can create a new reusable visualizations. So what kind of visualizations, all these things you will understand later of this section. Okay, what is visualizations, why people are calling visualizations, all these things. Okay. The second one is VIZ admin. Okay, so they can, do anything like manage, certify, share visualizations, everything. Okay, so all other roles, you know, who has some roles, they can create and dashboards and view and reuse shared and library visualizations. Okay, now how do we access a platform analytic access? Okay, so from here we will see demo. Okay, how do we access platform analytics? What are its components? Okay, um, how do we use this platform analytics? All these things. Okay, so let's see a small demo. So log into your system, okay, or your personal instance or your customer instance. Now, so my instance is in Washington, DC. Okay, so the platform analytics will be available, okay, from Washington, DC. So before Washington, DC, you can see the platform analytics workspace, but not a platform analytics. Okay, so this platform analytics, let's see what is, how do we access platform analytics? Platform, this is the platform analytics. Okay, so you have the platform analytics as an application. Under this, you have modules. So, okay, so this is the analytics center. If you click on analytics center, so you can see all kind of what all the dashboards available. Okay, what is the data visualizations available, all these things. So this is how you can access, okay, your platform analytics. Okay, so the components are called, this is dashboards, data visualizations, KPIs, filters, schedule export. So all this called data visualize, all this called um, all this called what components of the platform analytics. So these are called the platform analytics components. Okay, so if you click on analytics center, okay, so these are there are some kind of components available. So you can see here the NLU feature is also available. Okay, you can create a new dashboard. Okay, so you can see what all the dashboards are bookmarked, what all the dashboards are certified. Okay, and in the data visualizations also you can create a new data visualizations from the analytics center, and you can also see data visualizations like bookmarked and certified. What are the bookmarked data visualizations and what are the certified data visualizations? Okay, so for example, you can create this, how this NLU works. For example, if I click on active incidents and ask, okay, so it gives me the list of active incidents. Okay, something happened wrong. Okay, so let's refresh this one and let's try it again. Okay, um, active, active incidents by incidents uh, by state, state. So it's loading. So not sure what happened here. So let's try. Um, platform analytics center. So if I click on analytics center and active incidents by state, ask. Okay, um, maybe let's try later this part. Okay, so or I will show it in some time. Okay, so in different instance. So I'm not sure why it is not working. So it's like you can critical incident by group. You can if I click on critical incidents by group. Okay, so this is working here. Okay, so I think that there's no active incident. Oh, um, okay, something has happened. So it will show you the incidents, critical, what all the critical incidents by group. So all these things. Okay, so like that, it will show. Okay, so back to suggestions. So here you have, incident suggestion one, suggestion two, suggestion three. So if it finds, okay, table one incident, okay, group CMDBCI group. So some suggestions it will give you. So that this part we will cover in some time. Okay. So you can see the dashboards, create new dashboards. So in the components also, you can see the dashboards. If I click on dashboards, so what all the available dashboards available here. Okay, we can create a new dashboard by clicking on new dashboard and a new dashboard inline editor and technical editor. Okay, so this inline editor, create dashboards by dragging and dropping components on the stage of the page. Okay, technical editor is like, this is only the super admins can do it. Okay, technical editor. This will in our videos we will discuss inline editor. Okay, technical editor we will discuss in some other sections. Okay, some other videos. Okay, so yeah. So this inline editor, so this is recommended for most of the users. They will give the name of the dashboard and the description of the dashboard. So how to add the components, all these things, we will see in the next video. Okay. So that's you can create a new dashboards. Okay. So these are the existing dashboards. So if you click on HR case dashboard, it's loading. So okay. So these are the dashboards available. This list looks like this one. If there is an KPIs using, okay, KPI indicators are using, so you can see insights also. Okay, so also there is no data. Okay, for now, this is as this is an PDI instance, so we don't have any data here to show you. Okay, so data visualizations also the same. Okay, so you can see all data visualizations. You can see bookmarked, you can see certified, you can see owned by me, you can see shared with me, and you can see the all data visualizations. Okay, so on data visualizations, you have different types of visualizations here. Okay, you can see donut, column, vertical bar. Okay, so if okay, vertical bar, single score, like pie, okay, area, all these kinds. Okay, and we can, if you want to create a new data visualizations, you can create a new data visualizations. You can see here the types, score, time series, bars, pie and donuts, okay, multi-dimensional charts, others, okay, geomap, all these things. Okay, so how do we create a new data visualizations and how do we get the data here? Okay, so how these visualizations can be called and then um, can be called in dashboards, all these things. We will see, okay, in the next video, in the full A to Z demo. Okay. So these are the KPIs we are using. Okay. These are the KPIs are nothing but performance analytics. Okay, performance analytics, that is not platform analytics, this is performance analytics. While the performance analytics we are using to create an indicators. Okay, so all those indicators will be captured here. Okay, so you can mark indicators as a bookmark or certified. Okay, so yeah, this is like created by me. If I want to mark bookmark, I can click on bookmark. Okay, so I can see this bookmark here. The same way. So in the data visualizations, you have certified and a bookmarked. Bookmarked is nothing but you can if you can open the data visualizations and okay, and in the three columns you can add to bookmark. Okay, so here you have a create new data visualizations, duplicate, share, export, schedule. You can do it, and you can also add to bookmarks. Okay, add two bookmarks. Okay, so the certified means like you should have that widget admin role. Okay, so you can create, you can mark data visualizations as certified so that data visualizations can be reused by other users. They can see that it is certified, all these things. Okay, so for example, if I want to make a, so this is, I think this is, I did not create it. So that's the reason I cannot make an certified dashboard. Okay. So while in the demo, I will show you that how we can, you can copy the URL here and you can refresh it whenever it is required. Okay. So if I click on a new visualizations, okay, so if I click on a single score, okay, and for example, if I save it, this one, and with untitled save, okay, and then I can schedule and add to bookmarks, all these things, and also okay, like this. But there is no data because I did not choose all these things. We will see demo in the next video. Okay, in the next video we will see it. And let's come back. Okay, let's come back. So we don't have any bookmarked. So let's mark one as a bookmark. Okay, so if I go back, I can see it, a bookmarked. Okay, if you want to remove the bookmark, you can remove the bookmark. If you want to share, okay, you can share, you can access, you can manage access. Okay, what can you view or something, add as a viewer or add as editor, you can do it. Allow recipients to share. So all these kind of things you can do it. Okay, so what are the schedule exports we have? You can see. Okay, you can see here from schedule exports also. Okay, so this is a complete overview. So why we use platform analytics is like we can see all the dashboards, data visualizations. Okay, so we can create a powerful. Uh, Powerful UI. Okay, we have a powerful UI to create a new dashboard, advanced dashboards, all this, all this kind. Okay, okay. So here, that is something it is not working properly. That active incidents. So if this is called NLU type. Okay, so here it will show you the all the active incidents list. Okay, bars, all these things. Okay, by NLU. So here you can search. You know. Uh, a number of these are the indicators also you can search here, and if they have indicators you can get that indicator here automatically. So there is no performance analytics of schedules are running, so that's the reason no data available. And if not, you can see here all this number of applied predictions based on based on created date, all these things. Okay, so this how it works. Okay, so somehow in my instance, so the NLU is not working properly, but in the demo I will try to show you the in my other instance. Okay, in my other instance with the example. Okay, so in the next video I can show you with examples all these things. Okay, so hope you like it. Okay, so in now I think you will not understand the properly exactly. Okay, what is the purpose all these things, but when we creating the as in demo the new, I mean the new visualizations, adding in the dashboards, all these things, then you will get understands like what is platform analytics exactly. Okay, so let's catch up. Let's see in the next video. Okay, of platform analytics. Okay, thank you so much. Please do subscribe to get alerts for upcoming videos. Hope you will enjoy and learn ServiceNow. Thank you very much for your time.